Hello, welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook look-alike audience. You can apply these strategies on different levels of your advertising journey or tracking different activities on your website. So if you have been following this video, you must understand that I'm just showing everything how it's being done. There's no expert secret about these things. If you don't know how to do it, that's why you need to watch this video to the end. Right now, a custom conversion or custom audience or look-alike audience helps you to target people who have similar interests of the people who are visiting your website. So to do that is come to your event manager. This is what you need to do it again. On that same pixel you are using on your landing page, this is where you need to create it. Now you come to create. Before creating that, let me show you something. We have test events, but from here our Facebook pixel is already working, so we don't need to test anything because we have this overview button, which means our Facebook pixel is working, and we have these green indications here. If it is showing red, that means we have an error. Now this one is showing red here. Now let's say any issues with the event that may affect measurement of performance. Now let's say this one, now it says it's missing let's say missing purchase currency. So that means that in this particular one now we didn't add purchase currency value. So let me just try and add it. Okay, let me try and add it. Now you can see last 44 minutes sent to developer. Now let's see, let me see how to fix it. Although you can actually leave it though, it doesn't really matter that much. Okay, or equally you can even delete it. Alright, you can equally delete it. So it's basically nothing that serious, but somehow, as Facebook says, it's what that probably might affect your performance or anything, but it doesn't really matter because you have a lot of activities you are actually targeting. So we have a lot of them here. You see the thing is picking so many activities. Now it's picking the page view, complete registration, purchase, view event, and lead. So that means I'm tracking all the whole activity. That's why I've said that Facebook will get you more event activities when you are targeting the right people. So now we have 9, 6, 6, 3, 2, right? So now I'm going to do something, which is I'm going to click on create and create a look-alike. They said reach new people who are likely to be interested in your business because they are similar to your best existing customers using your pixel information. This thing looks like your twin brother, right, or your twin sister. You guys look alike. You guys have similar interests or similar passion for anything. For example, now if I have a twin brother, maybe I love to wear high heel shoes, right? My twin brother will likely to try to buy because the person looks like me. Like we are look alike. We are in the same audience, same group. So we are reaching new people who are likely to be interested in your business because they are similar to your best existing customers. If somebody likes iPhone, that person will like Android. If somebody likes watching American movies, the person will also like to watch Korean movies. Similar interests. So now I'm going to click on look-alike audience. I'll select the ad account. Click on next. Right? Now they said your look-alike audience may not include some people using iOS 14 Pro Max, something like that. So this one doesn't matter to me. Alright? So here is what I'm going to do. Look at what I'm purchasing. I'm trying to the pixel I'm using. We have other sources. Facebook is now asking you for you to select the audience location. So you click on browse. They say you select region or countries. Now for here, you can decide to select all region or all. Alright, select all. That means you're selecting all countries in the whole wide world, but it's not necessary. You don't need to select it. So just leave everything like this. Because of your tracking devices, you can select Nigeria. If you are tracking people in Nigeria, select Nigeria. We have two places. You can select region. Okay, we have all of them: free trade areas, app store regions. They have Facebook knows all these places. Okay, Facebook know all these places, so you don't need to tell them where to target. They know all these things. So if you select people that has emerging market, now you select it. Now it's telling you that countries, okay, like Argentina, Brazil, even Nigeria, as you say. So that means If you want to select audience location, you go. For me, look alike. You want to select people that looks alike, that have similar interests to people you are targeting in your business. So from here we have maybe audience size, something like that. Your look alike, leave it at 1. If you want to increase the volume, you put it at 2. But on the starting point, leave it at 1. Okay, put it at 1. When you want to run ad again, when you want to create a look-alike audience, maybe after creating this particular one now, you move this in at maybe 2, move this one at 1. That means you are not targeting these people again. But if you want to include them again, put this one here, put this one here. So what I'm going to do now is just increase it from 1 point to 2%. Don't put it here. Don't be too greedy. Facebook will not give you people who will buy your product. Leave it at this 1%. So if you want to increase more again, we'll move it at 2%. Move this one here. Or if you want to be, for me, that's how I normally run my ad and do all these things, set up my businesses for other clients. I'll start with this 1%. Okay, here. Then if I want to increase it more, I'll still come back and put it on 2. Then this means that Facebook will now be targeting the people who have similar interests in my business at 1%, likely to buy my product. Alright, or my client's product, or my business product. Now if I increase it to 2%, it's going to 10x, increase the availability market ratio, audience or size in 2%. So if I'm from there, I'll be moving to 3%. Now what I'm going to do now is, if I move to 3% for my own, that's why I might do my own, I'll put it on 1% here. So that means I'm going to leave 0% to 1. So if I'm okay with that, what I'm going to do is probably I'll just select country, because I don't have anywhere. I just select all country. Let me just select Nigeria. Let me select Nigeria. Where's Africa? Let me select Nigeria, because I want to select Nigeria here. The reason why I'm selecting this is because I don't have a customer list. That's why this is like this. Select Nigeria. The way you want to select. Alright, the place you want to target people from. So me, I'm targeting the Nigerian people, because I know that they're my target audience. Alright, I'm targeting them again. So they are going to be matching people who have similar interests with my business. So I click on create. Let me just move it in. You can see now, because I click on Nigeria, I'm having 1.6 million people. So if I click on 1%, the same thing, 524,000 people who have similar interests. People that have visited my website. It has, because I visited my website and Facebook tracking my activities. Now, Facebook knows that someone like me love technology. I love a lot of people, and I love some things about internet business. That's why we have this 524. Depending on the kind of business, your own might be different. So if you increase it to 1.2%, you see 1.1 million people. Okay, 1 million people now. You can see the NG 2% look alike page views. People that can view your page that have similar interests. So here, I'll leave it at 1%. Tomorrow, if I come back, I'll still increase to 2%. So click on create audience. So now I just click on create. Now they're telling me their source is too small. And that means I need to add more. Probably my source. Let me just put it on 2%. Reason for all this is because of I have not run any ads on the landing pages. On that landing page, that's why the thing is telling me that I have small source. Okay, because of I have not run any specific ad on that landing page. They are not allowing me to create a lookalike audience until I started running ad on Facebook. That's when they are going to allow me to create a lookalike audience on that landing page. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to start up running ads on different kind of ad sets or campaign on Facebook. So see you in the next video.